Hey folks, it's Don from Gaining Strength, and I've got in this video a method for using resistance bands and my homemade calf block to do seated calf raises. So you take a resistance band and put it under the calf block like so it's pulling up on each side of the block. Take another 2x4 about 18 inches long, stick it in the two loops of the resistance band that are on each side of the calf block. Pull that up onto your knees. It's very comfortable with the force spread out over the 2x4, and then you're ready to go. Do your seated calf raises. Resistance bands and a few 2x4s replacing a calf machine that costs several $100s. Thanks for watching.